Pretty from far, but far from pretty. So I just got back from dinner, my daughter's little birthday. And I was going to come in here, finish a little sanding, double check my masking, and paint. Looks like I prematurely masked, and well, I kind of forgot to order this paint apparently. So my home paint job right now is a no-go till I get some paint. That's my own fault. So I think what we're gonna have to do is I'm going to have to stop, run in, and order some paint for Sixsquatch.
We got the cab paint. The paint for the cab. Cab paint or paint for the cab? Does it sound better, cab paint or paint for the cab? Or is it the... Does it sound better, cab paint or paint for the cab? Or the cab painted for the cab? Or the painted cab for the paint? Or... Fetch.
All right. Let's take a look at this, because it's, yeah, not so pretty. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's pretty from, how do they put it? Pretty from far, but far from pretty. Yeah. So it looks cool from here. Yeah. Firewalls, everything turned out nice. Yeah, but the problem is, it didn't. Start looking. What happened with this is, I got impatient. And I thought we had cleaned good enough and blown it down good enough and everything, but yeah, no. I must have blown some crap off when I was spraying, and it feels like sandpaper right here. And it's not supposed to sound like that. It's not supposed to feel like that texture. So the other thing is, as you can see right here, hopefully, if you look down that, it resembles more of a waterfall than it does a paint job. And then, if you look over here, in the corner there, apparently I missed a ton. And oh yeah, like here, and right there, on that column, and up top, there's a whole bunch of spots. Yeah, oh, and yeah, underneath, yeah, look at this. That's not that good. Yeah, I did a crappy job. And no, this is not what you want to show on YouTube. It's like, oh yeah, see how perfect it turns out every time. They redid it 5 times, but hey, you know, the shot counts, right? So, yeah, this is reality though. When you're not a professional and you don't do this full time, this is what you end up with. Look, I've got stuff. I've got stuff in the paint. There's actually like a hair or something right there, or a lint, and there's more right there. That's a mosquito right there. Yeah. So, I like the color because it'll go really good with the red. And underneath looks pretty, but there's stuff I need to fix. It actually turned out pretty good underneath. Not too bad on runs. So, yeah, my plan is now to resand it down, get it prepped, and repaint it. Because I got impatient and I screwed up bad. But we just didn't. I mean, look at this. Look, this is bad. I mean, you can see through that. There's runs there. There's runs here. There's runs all the way up this center column. And there's runs all the way down that one. At least all the way up top, and then not enough paint down low. So, and runs all the way through there. This truck is certainly running now. There's a joke for you. Yeah, not a cool one for me. So, all right, I am going to get our air compressor and air filter system all going, and I'm gonna get this thing sanded down.
Alright, so once again, let me remind you, we did not film painting it. So, don't get mad at us. And don't be like, oh no, I skipped it, and I must have missed it or something. Don't know why you'd do that, because there's no reason to skip our videos, because they're perfect. So, 2 things. Don't skip, and we didn't film painting it. So, suck it up. Bye.
Alright, let's see how this turned out. So far, I'm not seeing any drips, but I don't want to jinx myself, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna get out of here, okay? Let's let this dry and we'll come back. I gotta go and do a couple other things and we'll go from there. Okay, well, we're gonna see how this turned out. If we got the runs again or not. Maybe that's what I'll call this video. Is getting the runs. Let's take a look at this thing. Okay, it's pretty, but there's a lot of shadows too. Okay, that looks good. Oh, that looks good. That looks a lot better. Look at that, no runs. Sweet. Let's check this corner. Okay, that looks good. All right, now what about the dash? All right, still don't know what to do with the radio yet. So for now, from what I'm seeing, I think I did a lot better job this time. Changed my airflow through too. That seemed to help a lot. Let's see, any runs? Ooh, there's a couple little spots. Looks like chemical reaction or something up there in the corner. Check that out. I'll have to figure that out and touch that spot up. But I'm not going to repaint the whole thing just because of that one spot. Ooh, look at this. That floor turned out nice. That. Okay, let's check in here. Let's see. All right, any runs? Any runs? Any runs? Any runs? I am not seeing any. Sweet. Okay, let's do this. Dash. The one thing I forgot to do is I forgot to take that thing out. Clean that up. We can always touch it up there. It'll be behind the glove box. All right. Well, there she is. Rocking away. Let's rock her to sleep, right? Come on, hot. Okay, so bottom's painted up, interior's painted. So bottom's painted, interior's painted. We got a stripper. We get a stripper. Okay, let's strip it down and clean her up. You messing with them? All right, as you can see, they're not paying attention. All right, we've got the paint job fixed for the interior and underneath. Underneath is good enough. All right, so we're gonna just have fun stripping it now. So let's get to a place. I promised them I would wait and let them help. So here we are. Okay, be careful. If anything starts to peel on the paint, stop. Then stop. That means I did it wrong. It didn't adhere right. Then which means we'll have to fix it. But okay, just find a corner somewhere, spot. So now we've taped it this way and shot it this way. We're gonna have to tape it off and shoot it the other way Later. Get a trash can, somebody. Mason, grab me a tape measure so you can pop in here. We don't want to touch the dash at all, of course.
Yeah.
All right, but there's all this tar stuff we mixed up here. This is popping off. It's the ceiling. We need to scrape all of it off, and then I'm going to clean it out. Now it will, if you can see, it's tar-like. It'll make a mark on this. So we're going to let it all fall down in here, and then we're going to gently blow it out or knock it out. Just don't rub it hard. I mean, I can get it out like this and still make the marks on it. Yeah, it's basically like tar. I need you to scratch that out all the way across. There's big chunks in the corner here too. All right. I said, wait on the camera, dude. Just kidding. We're getting ready to do all of the rattle trap sound deadening in this. Haven't done this before. Another new thing to do. So they had to send us half with the brand and half without. And no, it's not sponsored, but hey, we'll try it. We'll see. We did pay full price. It's fine. I try not to ask for favors just because I'm on, YouTube. All right, so we're gonna try this, and I don't know how we're gonna do it yet. I'm trying to decide on what part to start on. They can only send us. They were running out of the branded stuff. Okay, whatever. Help me hold that down. And we'll go 49. Okay. Okay. This thing looks like it got beat up a little bit in shipping. Be a good spot to put it down underneath. Apparently I didn't cut it through all the way. Did I? No. I'll show you guys the logo stuff later. Not listens. Plenty good adhesive. Okay, we're going to get it back in here as far as we can. Trying to get it far enough back in this corner and up. Kind of show what I'm doing. I'm rubbing it down to that corner there and then working it up. What you doing over there, Mason? What you doing over there, huh? Trade places with your brother?
Yeah.
I thought you're supposed to be over here giving me attention. Uh-oh. I just already broke that. Okay. All right, there's my first advice. We need better quality rollers. We'll have to look and see if they sell them. They give these ones with it, but okay, that one's gone. Looks like my hands are. I'm gonna become the metal man. The aluminum man. Alumaman. I'll become the Alumaman.
It just started.
I'm the Alumaman. I'm changing in front of your eyes. What? Okay. I'm taking you having a hard time. Okay, we've got part of it done. Yeah. Either we've got it done or we're going to tear it out 3 more times. This is the way we do it. How does Paul put it? We do it twice. How does he put it?
We get it right or we do it twice?
No, we do it. We do it twice to do it nice.
We do it right because we do it twice.
Yeah, we do it right because we do it twice. That's how they put it. I think we do it 3 times just in case. I think that'll be our logo. We do it 3 times just in case. We bought. Yeah, it was a lot of square footage we bought at once. We still got to do the ceiling. Okay. We're rocking the cab.
My knee was under there holding it up. I have a knee right here.
That's why I had to fight it.
Yeah. Thanks y'all for watching this video. It was my first time doing a video. So, thank you. I hope you liked it. Yeah, it was my first time. Tell me how I did. Did I do good? Did I do bad? What do I need to touch up so you guys will like the videos more? What can we do as Save and Shop works to make the videos more entertaining or insightful? Though I don't think these videos are really meant to be insightful. What can we do to make these videos better and more entertaining for y'all? And make it so you guys will continue watching them. And tell your friends about us. Well, you should be telling your friends about us either way. That's just kind of like a required. Yeah, I'll say that. It's required. Totally. It's required that you tell your friends about us. Yeah. Have fun. Bye.